Hi, I'm starting off this morning looking at the Solar Dynamic Observatory satellite, and you can see it circles the Earth. It does all kinds of stuff, but it's not next to the sun, it's not next to the moon, it circles the Earth. So yesterday's pictures go forward and it goes up, and this one I go forward and it goes down. So this is where the satellites circle the Earth. 24,000 or what is it, 8,000 miles across the Earth, so 30,000 miles up or something. Anyway, that's where the satellites are. The moon is 10 times this. I mean, it's 240,000 miles away, right? So it's way out here. So if these satellites are looking at the sun, the object can't move in different directions. It can't go one way one time and move up. So this one I go forward and it goes up. 9, 10, 2 o'clock. And this one I go forward and it goes down. 9, 9. So it's a different day off by a few hours. So how can the satellite doesn't circle the Earth every 2 hours? It's just ridiculous. So it's a different object. One might be the moon, but one cannot be the moon. I don't see how. Anyway, here's just some more NASA manipulation, cutting out stuff. Probably parts of the sun are going dark, and they don't want you to see that. There was one you could tell it was going dark, and there it was going dark. The sun was. So if you look at those a few times, then you'll get that. So just more manipulation of information. See, the sun was definitely dark there in that spot. Solar winds, sun's on the right, other pressure coming from the left, sun's on the right, other pressure coming from the left, sort of squishing the Earth like an egg a little bit. Plus this intensity of this solar wind, it may not be as fast, but it's a heavier intensity because they're always changing these numbers here. This can be 0.8 sometimes, so they just manipulating this also. So just endless manipulation from good old NASA. And of course we got the storm coming in. I'm just looking at the anomalies of the ocean. So these show how much warmer it is than in past years. So just a few degrees in the ocean has a huge difference in the amount of energy that can be used by a tornado, hurricane. So here we go, it's coming in, and this is the 13th right here. So tomorrow it's going to go hit the shore, and the Brunswick nuclear power station is down here, and then there's another one further up, Curry. But if either one of those go out and melts down and blows up, then this storm is interesting, but you should worry more about the radiation if that happens. I mean, I'm sorry for all the people here. They better left by now or leave today. Let's go to the good news. The Arctic is frozen. I mean, the North Pole. So there you go. It's all frozen. So that is a good thing that will reduce the climate chaos for a few more months as that refreezes. Be our air conditioner. So that's good. Looks like another year maybe to hang out on Earth with food. Okay.